All right, everybody. Today we will be completing Lesson 4, Grocery Store Trips. This is in Booklet 2. Now, this isn't actually a lesson. This is more of an activity that you will be completing on your own. So all that I'm going to be doing in this video is pointing you in the right direction, giving you a summary of what you should be completing, and you can complete this page from there. Now, there is no homework page for this lesson, as the lesson in itself is its own homework and its own activity. So the only page that you need is the one that I am on right now. Now, in this activity, you are going to visit the website of any grocery store you would like. Each grocery store website has a section where you can access its deals or its flyers. You are going to select 4 items from this flyer and calculate how much this bill would cost you. In my lesson, I give you a link to the Sobeys website, but you do not need to use that. I will be using it for the beginning of this video, though. It is sobeys.com/flyer. So, example 1. You have $50 to spend on 4 different items of your choice from the grocery store. Use any grocery store website to find their weekly deals, or use the following link. So if I go to my second tab here, perfect, it is already sending me there. So this is sobeys.com/flyer. Now, it will prompt you when you come to this page to input your location, or rather give the website access to your location. You don't have to do that. If you say block, you can select any location like Toronto, and it will give you the flyers for there, which are just as fine for this activity. So if I scroll down, we can see there are a number of deals this week at Sobeys. We can buy a 15 box of granola bars for $10.99. We can buy what looks like mac and cheese for $2.99. We can get milk for $6.79, etc., etc. You're going to pick 4. I'm just going to pick 1 for the purpose of this explanation. Let's go with the milk. All right, organic milk, $6.79. So I'm going to go back to my activity page. And under item, I am going to write organic milk. Now the actual price, $6.79, right? Yep, $6.79. Now it also asks us to round the price to the nearest dollar. In this case, we would round the 6 up to 7. This would become $7. Right? We round the 6 up to 7 because we look to the number after the 7, and that tells us to round up. Now, you're going to do this 3 more times for any items that you would like. Now, I want you to be careful because this can be a little bit confusing at first, but this handout actually asks you to do 2 different calculations. This handout asks you to calculate the final estimated total. So here you have the rounded money. You're going to add all of that up, and you're going to get the estimated total. But it also asks you, what is your actual final total, right? So in this case, you would be adding up all of your actual prices and finding the actual total this way. Right? Again, we're doing this by adding. So make sure that you're doing both. Make sure that you are practicing doing it by hand. You are not allowed a calculator in this unit. And then when I ask you how much change do you get back from $30, you're going to be using the actual total for that, okay? So find the exact change. Right, remember to round the final amount of change to the nearest nickel because we don't deal with pennies. And that's pretty much it for this activity, right? You guys got this. Let me know if I can help with anything. Thank you.